Good morning, guys. Seton HVAC here. It is Tuesday, October 15th, 2024. Heading back out to my big remodel job this morning. I got a couple heat pumps I'm going to set. I didn't load up the one I had in my shop this morning. I got one being delivered. I'm going to head back here probably later this morning. This job's only about 5 minutes for me, so kind of just go back and forth and get stuff as I need it. I didn't have room. I got the pads and some other stuff back there, so gonna head out, get done what we can out here. should be a nice leisurely rest of the week. I'm gonna just kind of put away on this job, and then Friday morning I'm heading out to go camping for a couple nights with my dad. We went a couple years ago. Didn't really get a chance to do it last year. I was just too busy. But we're gonna go do that out in the desert. And of course, there's knowing my dad, there's probably a couple bars that aren't far away. That's his idea of camping. So yeah, got the farmers out doing their cleanup stuff here, getting ready for the winter season. We'll start getting cold, so I should start getting some no heat calls and whatnot, and start getting into that season. I should be getting some more heat pump calls, sales calls. People want to upgrade their system, or they're going to turn their system on for the first time this week and it doesn't work. So same thing every year. And like I said, I don't seek out the work that much. It usually finds me. If my phone doesn't start ringing a little bit more here in the next couple of weeks, I will probably do an advertisement, which I don't normally do, but at the beginning of each season, each winter and summer season, I like to do one ad, and that usually rolls me through the season. And I don't want to get too backed up, because we also have our Las Vegas trip coming at the end of this month. We're going to be there we're doing Reno, and then we're doing 2 nights in Vegas, and then 1 night in Reno. We're driving it. So I don't fly anymore. I'm done with airports, unless I'm going to go to the airport bar and have some drinks, picking somebody up. But we're going to go do that. Yeah, November 1st through November 4th. Usually we plan it around that time, because our anniversary is November 2nd. That will be our 5th anniversary. So yeah, 5 years. 5 years as an honest man, right? All right, enough small talk, personal talk. I'll see you guys out on this job. Do some low voltage wiring today, maybe some drains, and get some heat pumps set. See you out there. Well, guys, I'm back today, and I got done a little early, and I finished my taxes. I filed an extension in April, and I'm stressed. I hate doing it. I did it all myself, and there's a reason why I had to do it myself this year. But next year, I am not doing it myself. But the extension you put out on April 15th, you can see my eyes are tired from it, just squinting at the screen that long. You put the extension in April 15th, and then you file your taxes on October 15th. Guess what day it is? October 15th. I got it all finished up, filed. I paid out the ass because I did it myself. I probably didn't get all the what do you call them, deductions. See, I can't even speak. I've been doing it for so long. But it's filed. They're done. It's going to get accepted. I've got my taxes paid to the old IRS, and I can breathe a sigh of relief, though. It's all accepted. Everything's good. I got audit protection with TurboTax. Everything's good to go. There's a reason why I had to do it myself this year. I'm not going to get into it here. But I got a short little video. I'm back out at that remodel job. I don't know what happened with my heat pumps today, but you'll see I was waiting for them at the end of the video. They didn't show up. Oh well, enjoy the video. Alright guys, I haven't got you much footage today. It's been just kind of talking to guys and stuff, but wiring up this Bosch. So these wire up a little bit different than the Honeywells. I'll show you. So it's your typical R, Y, you got your W, emergency heat, common, G for fan, if you can see that, W2 for your, that's actually auxiliary. They should put auxiliary there because it confused me on my first one I did. second stage compressor, reversing valve, and then dehumidification if you're doing that with these thermostats. So one thing they don't, if you got to read the instructions really completely, is when you have just one backup stage of auxiliary heat, you need to make sure you put a jumper between WE and W2 auxiliary. And if you have and you want to make sure that you do not just land to this one, because that's not energized in your backup heat, only if it was in an emergency. So let me show you, what was I going to show you? Oh, so it gives you this little jumper here. So that's, I should have known when I seen that they gave me a jumper for it. So anyway, that's that. Alright guys, kind of some sporadic video today because I got people everywhere, and we're kind of just tripping all over each other, but electrician's finally out of here. Electrician is finally out of here, if I can speak. He got his boxes up here. There's my transformers, one for the zone panel and then the other one for the humidifier. He's got my ERV powered, so that I can work on that. I'm gonna try to fire up this unit today. I'll probably get the other one fired up tomorrow. Even though I got that ductwork I still got to do on it. Like I said, last thing I'm gonna do before I'm out of here is duct seal everything. But there's no way I'm starting to duct seal when I'm working. I'll try to clean these wires up the best I can. You're not gonna see this stuff back here, but this will all look sweet. And yeah, moving along. I'll show you guys all the thermostats and stuff and the ERV controllers before I leave today. Alright guys, I got the zone panel all wired in. It looks pretty clean. So if there's ever an issue, somebody needs to figure out what something is, all you gotta do is just trace back right to there. I have everything labeled right there, so that'll make it real easy on them. Plus I put my initials inside of there so they can see what everything is. So yeah, that's how I do it. All phone corded, so if anything ever needs to be adjusted, you got extra wire there they can play with. It'll look nice when it's all done. I'll clean all the wiring up there. So I'm just gonna make it up inside. I can actually fire this stuff off. I think I'm going to, so I'm gonna make that up. The only thing I won't have hooked in today will be the humidifier, but we don't need humidity right now, not with all the work going on in the house. So yeah, let's keep going. Okay guys, as you can see, it's all powered up. Everything's all nice and clean. Got my panels back on, got my area clean. I got all my manuals there. We're not gonna fire it off quite yet. I got a bunch of boot covers I gotta pull off. And I don't want to run it right now anyway in heat because the guys are already sweating up there. So, and I don't have the heat pump running yet, or the heat pump hooked up yet. So we'll continue on tomorrow. I got administrative stuff I got to finish off the day with, and that'll be good. Oh, climbing up back this hill, climbing from down here to up there a million times today is killing me. I'll show you guys the overall, and I'll show you guys what these Bosch thermostats look like. I'll just kind of do a little walkthrough right now to finish out the day. Just real quick guys, I'll give you a little overall here. Over there, that's that 10-inch for that monster range hood. That's got to go like 60 feet that way. I'll be working on that too. I'm getting there, slowly but surely. You know how I roll. All right, guys, we're pulling on out of here. No, I'm not done for the day. I gotta check on these heat pumps and see where they're at. Yeah, I got the one in my garage. So this new truck, I don't have a system yet of loading the heat pumps in the back. I got a little motorized lift ordered up that'll help me out a lot, so I can load stuff from my shop into the back of this truck, but I don't have it yet. It's taken them 3 to 4 weeks to get it to me. So, and I still got about a week left, I think. So my distributor, Johnstone, he was going to bring one unit today because I only had one in my shop, and have him go by my place and load up the other one, and then he was going to dump them both off at the job. So I'm trying to figure out, you know, these guys never get me my stuff before noon, it doesn't seem like, unless I request it. Usually it takes them a while. So I'm gonna go find out what's going on. I'm gonna go home, get some lunch, and see where he is. I'm gonna shoot him a call and find out what the heck is going on. So we're not done. More to come.